Today on the workbench we have a Guidesman 1000 lumens rechargeable flashlight. Now I believe most of these flashlights you can only get them in Menards, but this one here I got as a gift a couple years ago, and it's having a problem where when you twist the focus ring it tends to kind of flicker, as you can see here. First thing we're going to do is take off this ring in the front, and that'll allow you to take off the lens. And if you twist it the right direction, you'll push the lens reflector to the front, and as you can see here there are two little holes, and we're going to use those to fix the issue. So just grab a small screwdriver or anything that's really pointy and put it in one of the holes and just turn it and tighten it up. And then if you have two of them, you can kind of put them like this and give it a little extra torque, and then hopefully that will prevent it from becoming loose in the first place. Now at this point, just assemble it back together again, put your lens back on, try not to get too many of your dirty, grubby fingerprints on it, and then put the retaining ring back on. And just like that, no more flicker. I'll put a link in the description to the flashlight that's on the Menards website. I'll also put an Amazon link to a higher amp hour battery. The stock battery is 2600 and the upgrade I found is 3300. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.